So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.